Hi, this is Ed Sowell here, and I want to tell you about this thermometer that I bought. It's a Taylor Patio Thermometer, um, and I've always thought Taylor to be one of the best makers of thermometers, and uh, so I was pleased when it arrived. It looked like one that I'd had for years and finally gave up the ghost. It's called a decorative 13.25 thermometer. And if we turn this box around here, you can see the exact information. Oops. Now I've dropped it there. There it is. 6700 series, and over here there's the barcode stuff. So anyway, the problem was that it hung there on the patio post, and the needle never moved at all. And I thought, oh my God, I've been really gypped on this thing. It really is just a decorative thing. It's not a real thermometer. So I posted this snotty note on Amazon saying, don't buy this, it's a piece of junk, etc. And then I got to thinking, well, instead of just crying about it, I've got the thing now. Why don't I just see if I can't fix it? So the first thing that I learned was that this face cover comes off. It's got these three little clips on it, and you have to work at it from the back and pry on the little clips and maybe use a little screwdriver and free up one of them and then the other, and it's easily taken off and set aside. So I studied the thing for a bit, and I noticed that the needle just wouldn't move. Right now it's free because I've fixed it, but when it came from the factory, this needle had been pressed onto the shaft of the bimetallic strip that mechanism that's in the back here. And it pressed down so far that the needle was binding against the face of the thermometer. So I just grabbed it like this and gently tugged it out so that it moved freely. So that was tremendous progress there in about a minute or less. And so now I went to there must be a way to adjust this thing. And indeed there is. The first thing you have to do is work on it inside because you probably have the air conditioner on as a heater or whatever, and you're out of the direct sunlight, and the temperature is stable at whatever you have your equipment set at. In our case, it would be 78 degrees in the summertime, and right now, as you can see, I've adjusted it, but back here there's an adjustment mechanism, and if you turn that, it sort of snaps to different direction, so you move it around and that changes where the set point is. So now it's saying about 73 degrees, so let's move it a little bit the other way, and we're getting there, and that's pretty darn close. That's saying about 78 degrees. Fiddle with it a little bit more, you can get it even closer, I suppose. But anyway, that's it. Just put the cover back on and hang it up back on the patio. I hope that this is helpful to you if you're having a problem with your thermometer. And it was an interesting experience for me, and I hope you can do it too.